Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on XRP and Ripple. It's been a while since I covered it, wanted to cover it after the move yesterday. We'll talk about that, we'll talk about the implications of that move, at least in my eyes at least. And apart from that, I also have an interesting take on XRP right now, I think, on why XRP might be the best crypto to hold right now. And why it might be the strongest one. Which I don't think it is the strongest one, but perhaps one of the strongest ones. So that's what we'll talk about in this video. There are no updates, at least to my knowledge, on the whole Ripple SEC case. That was at least not the move behind, the reason behind the big bearish move yesterday. But as I've stated in the past as well, if there are any updates, I'll definitely implement them into the analysis. And there's also some aspects on it in this analysis. Now, before we get into the rest of XRP, if you want to receive daily trading signals on cryptos like XRP, but also other cryptos, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now on to XRP. So the move yesterday, to start off with, that was crypto-wide, right? It was a fundamental move, I think. There was no clear reasoning behind it. Sure, there were bearish things going on, especially with regulation in the US. But a move like this, like for Bitcoin specifically, like $2 to $3 billion was sold in a matter of like 15 minutes. That's not normal. Those are institutions or whales selling, all right? So usually that's followed up with more bearish momentum. And the market has not really recovered since. Now, what XRP did with that move is drop down to our major support level, around 48 and 47 cents. And that held up easily. And I also do not see that breaking easily right now. I mean, it's still good, obviously. There's if the bearish momentum continues, if Bitcoin drops down to 27,500, XRP will follow. All right, XRP will follow down to like 45 cents, perhaps even 44. But that's not the case right now. Right now, we seem to be stabilizing, at least. I really question how long that's going to take, but still. But XRP, I would say, is still doing fairly well. I mean, first of all, we are still very, very bullish since the 20th of March. And apart from that, I would also say that XRP right now is one of the most stable cryptocurrencies. It has been historically as well. I mean, if you zoom out, you can see that basically since the FTX crash, we've been stable, which is a pretty good thing. But apart from that, ever since like the bear market started, we've been pretty stable as well overall. So XRP has turned out to be, even in bearish times, turned out to be a pretty good crypto to hold. Even though if you think we're going to fall, I would wait for some lower prices. And apart from that, XRP is one of the only cryptos that really has that potential that even if the market goes south, even if Bitcoin drops down to 20,000, XRP will rally before the lawsuit, if they win or not, and then rally a lot if they win, and then rally not so much or drop down a lot if they lose. But that initial, what we've usually seen, if there's any news on the lawsuit, we are turning bullish. So you have that potential, and that just creates a very good risk reward, I think, for holding XRP. But yeah, I mean, on the short term, I do not expect that many good things. I think we'll get up to like 50.5, maybe 51 cents. If we break above that, all of a sudden, which is a possibility, like a 15-20% chance, then we're the same. We're in the same situation as we were in before this drop. But I think it's more likely that we'll get up there, find resistance, and kind of consolidate on top of 47 and 48 cents and wait for market confirmation. So if Bitcoin gets a bearish breakout, we will follow. If Bitcoin gets a bullish breakout, we will recover a bit. So that's my short-term view on XRP, but also some views on a little bit more of the long term. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.